For the latest in stock market breaking news and broker alerts, make sure to subscribe to the channel at the bottom right. But we're going to jump right into the video here. That the Snap company, if you're familiar, it's been around for a little bit now, and it recently acquired an AI factory for $166 million. Snap has quietly acquired it, a Ukrainian computer vision startup for $166 million. TechCrunch notes Snap has already worked with AI Factory to create its Cameos feature that's fairly new, providing animated selfie-based videos. You got AI Factory was founded by Victor, a former Snap director of engineering who had come to the company through a similar acquisition of his previous firm, Loxery. Loxery acquisition in 2015 also amped up Snap's features for animated selfie lenses. So Snap seems to appear to be kind of pushing its way into the AI market. And honestly, it's been trading fairly well in the last year with a big kind of like a rebound from its dumping grounds of $6 a share, pushing up all the way to 16.75, and it's kind of closing in on potentially breaking out again to the 20s or higher. And with the AI acquisition, they might be in a good direction to consider longing, depending on how it handles this breakout point from where it's currently at. If it breaks above 17, I'd consider it as a swing into a long. It does have promise now. It's acquiring a little bit more and it's kind of growing. It's still kind of a relatively small company based on its revenue generation, but it's not really debt heavy and it's looking at least a little bit more appealing to me. Feel free to share your own input below about Snap. And thanks for listening in and have a nice day.